Muscle Big Muscle Gang's back with another video, man. We at Zion Park right now. What trail is this?
Riverside Walk.
Damn right, okay. It's a little chilly. We was on a bus ride. They got all the windows open on the bus, freezing. So yeah, you already know. Yeah. Do black people go hiking in the cold? Yes, we do. Let's go and get into it.
Time to walk around with wet shoes off jump.
All right, so we about a half a click in. I don't know what the hell that shit mean.
Don't go in the water now.
Hiking for about a good 11 minutes. Get what I'm saying? GPS still ain't registered. So, hey, anyways, yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got like a nice little lake bed over here. You get what I'm saying? Gonna get some nice epic cinematic footages. Okay, you know, nice river over here.
That's a stream.
Epic oceans.
Don't even qualify as a river.
Shoot, but man, I wish I had like a zoom lens to like zoom in on the water and stuff, but we gonna get there. You get what I'm saying? We gonna get there. But anyways, continue the footage.
Yeah, with my phone, because if you take it, I'll never see it again.
Yes, you will. You're gonna see it. It's gonna look marvelous, amazing.
See it again. 2, 3. Get it?
Yeah. All right, you guys. Yeah, we are at stop 5, which is the lodge. We got a nice little cafe over here. You know, we brought our lunch and everything like that. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches on some tiny ass breads, though.
Whatever.
Check this out. God damn. So,
Hey, I picked this bread. Thank you very much.
low-cal breads.
That's right. It's cute bread.
Couldn't put no peanut butter on this goddamn bread, though. But, but anyways, yeah, man, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. It was cold at first, but it was
It's a nice view, though.
abnormally freezing. With the bus we was on, all the windows was open in the bus. Cold as hell. Okay. Now we were going, I would say, the opposite direction of the wind. So it was just nothing but just wind just coming up in the damn thing. Or how basically, yeah, bus is going straight. The things is, angled to just all kinds of cold air. I think it was a good 30 degrees on that goddamn bus though. I'm finna be 100 with y'all guys. But anyway, check out the view. Here you go. Man, this is Emerald Pools Trail, Mount Zion, Zion Mountain, things like that.
Zion National Park.
Yeah, Zion National Park. You get what I'm saying? But hey, let's go and get into it. All right, I'm tired as hell. Elevation, goddamn. So yeah, man.